VISE pliers. Tongue and groove pliers have a press and slide button that quickly adjusts lower jaw. All-purpose jaw grips on round, flat, square and hex shapes. Multi-groove ratcheting system has 2x more positions than other tongue. KNIPEX tools pliers. Precision grade, performance tools, the #1 choice of tradesmen worldwide. Comfortable in use and quality assured design, fit to match the needs in the shop, at home or in the service field. Each tool is proven and tested for durability and function in real-world use and conditions. GEARWRENCH Slip Joint Pliers. Inner jaw grips bolts from 3 mm to over 25 mm. Deep shear style wire cutter reduces cutting effort. Cross-hatched jaw tooth designed for gripping and pulling. Ergonomic handles with tether point increase overall comfort and safety. Meets or exceeds ASME requirements. Handle Rite Slip Joint Pliers. Handle Rite, the original loop handle pliers, simple, yet ingenious, ergonomic and slip-resistant tool, superior control, secure grip every time, prevents slipping or losing grip on plier handles. Increases precision over standard pliers. Easily grab objects. Comfortable, reduces tension during extended use, can be used by left or right-handed. VAMPLIERS Joint Screw Pliers. Best-made tools. VAMPLIERS by Vampire Tools Incorporated. Offers the best screw extraction pliers made in Japan. Pliers designed with VAMPLIERS technology. Horizontal and vertical teeth in the concave jaw grips to extract strip screws, nuts and bolts using the top jaw or the side jaw. Slip joint mechanism to adjust